Hi, Todd Cooperrider here on a beautiful yet cold November day in Ohio. Great customer of ours just took delivery of his new 992 Porsche Carrera 4S. Lava orange, absolutely stunning car. He's been waiting for it for a long time, and he wanted to make sure that he kept that car looking great for a long period of time. So came to us to discuss what we can do. So what we decided on it to keep this thing looking fantastic is to do a full wrap in paint protection film. The film that we use, 10-year warranty on it, clarity is absolutely superb. It's going to prevent rock chips and other small dings and things from happening in the car. Also, it's going to resist against the smaller scratches as well. And when we're doing the installation, we make sure we customize everything so we can wrap the edges wherever possible to keep it as a seamless and clean look as possible. You don't notice any kind of edges on the car. It's difficult for people to even notice there's any kind of paint protection film on it. And a nice thing, if something happens to the car, something hits a fender for instance, you can go in, peel off that film, put a replacement piece on it, and it's going to save the value. It's going to save money from having to get some expensive repairs done on it. And it's nice, we can go in, wrap everything, even on the delicate black pieces in the back here. We put paint protection film on it to keep it from getting scratches and swirls. And you also notice, to contrast this beautiful lava orange, we tinted the windows while we're in here. Most people just think of tinted windows as a way to look cool, which obviously it does. But with window tinting, you put on a high quality film, it's going to look a natural gray as opposed to some that's going to look green or blue. It's going to cut down on the temperatures inside, and it prevents UV damage as well. And what you notice is we've got the windshield tinted as well. Most cars that we do window tinting on, they all get the windshield done. Once you have a car with a tinted windshield, you never want to go back. It makes a huge difference, cuts down on the glare during the day, cuts down glare at night, and it completes the look of the car as well. All right, you've seen what we did to this beautiful new 992. Protect it so the owner can keep it looking nice for a long time, maintain a higher resale value on it. If you want to learn more about the 992 and what we can do to it, follow the video clip that we're going to post up next, and contact us here at ESOTERIC Detail. We can walk you through a plan to protect your 992 or whatever the new car you might be getting.